To get a new BMO debit card, start by determining if you need a replacement or a new card. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need a replacement, while new account holders will need a new card. First, gather required documents, including a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. Next, visit the BMO website or mobile app to start the application process. If you are applying online, sign in to your BMO account and navigate to the debit card section. Click on Order a new card and follow the prompts to enter your information and confirm your address. Alternatively, you can visit a BMO branch in person. Let the representative know you need a new debit card and provide the required documents. They will guide you through the application process and help you complete the necessary paperwork. Once your application is submitted, your new debit card will be mailed to you within a few business days. When you receive your card, activate it by calling the phone number provided with your card or through the BMO mobile app. After activation, review your account information and ensure everything is correct. You can then start using your new debit card for transactions. It is essential to keep your debit card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. To keep your account secure, avoid sharing your PIN or card details with anyone, and regularly monitor your account activity for suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can easily get a new BMO debit card and enjoy convenient and secure access to your account.